So this is the 84 Bertone. I was messing around with the throttle cable because for some reason it gets like 500 pounds when you want to floor it. There's a spring in there. I lubed it up. It seemed to be a little bit better. I took it off. The mechanism where it goes through is not tight at all, so it's all in the spring. But that resulted in me lifting up the carpet and taking out the seats and everything else. So the black that you see is spray paint over light rust. There wasn't any hard rust, just a little bit of surface rust. So I cleaned it, sprayed it, and then everything's been wiped down with MEK to clean it. This is that sound deadening slash insulation stuff that comes from the factory, and there's nothing wrong with this, but this is 10mm sticky back foam, so it's the same depth and it's going to work better because we have some issues. And if you turn your head just right, you can see daylight through that hole, and then there's another one in the back. So hot air is coming up through there and then going into the car this way. So we're going to seal all that off with the sticky back. So there's not going to be much talking, there's just going to be me working. So here we go.
Okay, cool. Rolling. Got a letter this morning, how you reckon it read? Said, hurry, hurry, yeah, your love is dead. I said, I got a letter this morning, how you reckon it read? I said, hurry, hurry, the guy you love is dead. Grabbed my suitcase, took off down the road. Got down there, so lay down on that cooling board. I said, I'll grab my suitcase, took off down the road. I got down there, she was laid down on that cooling board. Well, I walked right close, looked down in her face. Said, the good old gal got laid to the judgment day. I said, I got right close, looked down in her face. The good old gal got to lay down till the judgment day. Looked like there's 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. Didn't know I loved her till they laid her down. Looked like there were 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. I said I didn't know how much I loved her till they laid her down. Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. Wouldn't mistreat my baby for my wedding gold. I said, Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. I would mistreat my baby for my wedding gold. Well, I fold my arms, slowly walked away. I said, fare thee well, honey, see you on Judgment Day. I said, I'll fold up my arms and slowly walked away. I said, fare thee well, see you on the Judgment Day. No, I went in my room, I bowed down to pray. Blues came along, drove my spirit away. I said, I went into my room, bow my head to pray. I said the blues came along, Lord, drove my spirit away. You know I didn't feel so bad till the good old sun went down. Didn't have a soul to throw my arms around. Said I didn't feel so bad the good old sun went down. That's when I didn't have no soul, throw my arms around. Well, I said I loved you, baby, like I love myself. You don't have me, you won't have nobody else. I said I love you, baby, then I love myself. I can't have you, baby, when you can't have nobody else. You know it's hard, I love someone, don't love you. I said it's hard, it's so hard, love someone that don't love you. Ain't no satisfaction, don't care what in the world you do. Got up this morning, just about to break a day, hugging that pillow where she used to lay. I said I woke up this morning, just about to break a day. I said I was hugging that pillow where my girl used to lay. Woke up this morning, feeling down for my shoes. You know my dad, baby, had more walking blues. I said I woke up this morning, feeling down for my shoes. I said you know about that, baby, had more walking blues. You know, I cried last night and the night before. Got to change my way of living so I don't cry no more. I said I cried last night, you know, and all the night before. Change my way of living, I don't have to cry no more. Hush, thought I heard her call my name. It was so loud, it was so nice and plain. I said, hush, thought I heard her call my name. If it wasn't so loud, Lord, it's so nice and plain. Well, listen, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, try to get along with you. I said, now listen, oh, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, I'll try to get along with you. Well, the minute seemed like hours and the hour seemed like days. It seemed like good old gal don't stop the low down ways. I said, minute seemed like hours, hours seem like days. Oh, my good old gal don't stop the low down cheating ways. You know, love's a hard old phone, make you do things you don't want to do. I said, love's a hard old phone, make you do things you don't want to do. Well, love sometimes make you feel sad and blue. I said, well, I love sometimes make you feel sad and blue.
So the idea is I have the 2 mil stuff coming, so I'm going to wrap here and then roll it over and go that way to smooth this down. And I think that'll work. And I'll probably put some 2 mil here and here, right there, for under this seat. So I'm gonna take a break, and then when I come back, we're gonna do back here. GoPro, stop recording.